everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet stitch tutorial. This demo will go over the wattle stitch. It is absolutely adorable. It almost reminds me of seed stitch in the crochet. The pattern is, it's fairly stretchy. So it's good for blankets. It keeps its shape. I would also recommend scarves and other things worked in flat panels, so you could even fashion a sweater out of this, in my opinion. But you guys know I like to design sweaters. So anyway, enough rambling. Without further ado, I'm going to jump into this tutorial. Before I do me the hugest favor by subscribing and ringing that notification bell so I can bring you guys more crochet content in the future. Alright, without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, to begin, we are going to start off with a slip knot, just like that. And we are going to chain in multiples of 3. So I'm going to do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright, for row 1 we are going to skip these first 2 chains, and into this third chain we are going to work a single crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet, all into that same space. Okay? Alright, and this starts our repeat, so we're going to skip 2. We are then going to work our single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that next stitch over. Alright, we're going to do this all the way across. Skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, and double crochet into that same stitch. Alright, and when we get to our end of our row, we should have 3 chains left, and we are going to work a single crochet into that last chain. Alright, and this is what row 1 looks like. Alright, for row 2, we are going to chain 1. And we are not going to work into this first stitch, or as I call it, the base of the chain 1. Instead, we are going to skip that, and we are going to skip that first double crochet as well. And into the chain space, we are going to single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all into that one chain space. Alright, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to, for our repeat, we are going to skip the next single crochet and the next double crochet of our row. We're going to single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that next chain space. All the way across. Alright, after we complete our last repetition, we are going to single crochet in this very last stitch of the row. Alright, and that is the end of row 2. Alright, so to continue this pattern, we would continue to repeat row 2. So this pattern is a 1 row repeat. We're going to chain up 1. Again, we're going to skip that single crochet and that first double crochet of this row, and we are going to work our repeat of single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that chain 1 space. And we're just going to keep working this repetition into all the chain spaces across the row. Alright, and again, when we get to the end here, we're going to insert our hook into the last stitch and create a single crochet. Okay. And if you continue to repeat row 2 over and over again, you will eventually end up with a piece of fabric that looks like this one. I hope today's tutorial was super helpful for you all. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the notification bell so I can be a part of your future crochet journey. I usually upload crochet tutorials on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST, so if you want to check me out then, that's where I'll be. If you want to support the channel, you can head over to my website and sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out on future pattern drops and other Infiniti Crafting Co. news. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm also a ceramicist, so I tend to drop new craft room ceramics in my shop from time to time, so you'll want to check that out, I'm sure. Alright, I think that was it for today. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy making. This video is brought to you by my supporters on Ko-fi. Thank you so much. Your donations help drive the creativity behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co.